Hey hungry people, I'm Caroline.
And I'm Blair, and welcome to the season premiere of College E1ats.
Today we're going to be making low-carb peanut butter hearts.
In honor of our favorite holiday,
Galentine's Day! Now, Galentine's Day is a great time to celebrate friendship and love of all forms.
Yes, definitely, whether it's like your friends, your family, or even a special someone, we're here to have a very fun time, and I'm especially honoring my love for my beautiful co-host. So let's jump right into our first recipe. Now on to the ingredients.
Alright, now this recipe only takes 4 ingredients, so it's super college friendly, very good on a budget. We have peanut butter, maple syrup.
And then we're going to need some coconut flour and some milk chocolate chips. And then our lovely EPs also picked up some really cute heart-shaped cookie cutters.
Yes, perfect for the season.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a lovely pan, and usually they say line it with parchment paper, but we are on a budget.
Yeah, we don't got that with us today. We're going to be using some cooking spray and seeing how it goes, but again, it's College E1ats, so we're figuring it out on the fly.
Guys, we're doing some experimental recipes just for you.
Alright, first we're going to add 2 cups of peanut butter.
And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of maple syrup. You can add kind of like any sugary thing, but we chose maple syrup. Gonna add a fun little Canadian twist, I guess.
And I mean, I'm a huge peanut butter fan. I don't know about you. I'm dairy free. And so peanut butter is like my saving for everything. I love it.
That makes so much sense. What's great about this recipe too is it's just so inclusive because it's paleo, it's vegan, not nut free. But
yeah, no. If you have a peanut allergy, do not try this recipe.
There's
That's
definitely
disclaimer.
other things you can do for Galentine's.
Yeah, maybe cashews. You could do cashew butter. That would definitely be a way if you were like
Almond. Oh wait, not almond.
Almond could work.
That could work.
I mean, if you're like tree nuts, not peanuts, you know, they're not interchangeable.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'd love to see how you guys are going to modify this recipe for you. So make sure to send us photos to our Instagram.
Yes.
Alright friends, so you're going to want to mix it up until it starts looking very creamy.
Yeah.
And right after that we're going to be adding 1 cup of that coconut flour we mentioned earlier.
Yeah, now looking at this right now here, we can tilt it for you because it's actually so solid. So you can see this. I think it's going to firm up really well.
Yeah, definitely.
There are a lot of... Yeah,
Oh.
It's very fragrant. It's very fragrant. You can get like the nuttier notes. You can also get like the maple notes.
Oh.
It smells delicious.
I can't even imagine what's going to smell when it's in the oven.
Oh yeah. Alright, so now we're going to have to let this sit for 10 minutes to thicken up. We just put a little damp paper towel over it. Make sure it doesn't get too crusty while it's sitting. But it looks good.
It's looking really good. So yeah, as Caroline said, we have to wait 10 minutes. So in the meantime, we might be making some TikToks.
Maybe.
That you can check out if you go to College E1ats SU on TikTok. Alright y'all, so it's official. Our batter has thickened up, so it's ready to be made into our little hearts.
Yeah, so we have our hearts right here. I'm excited to use these. They're so cute. So we're going to cut them out, put them on our pan that we've lined with cooking spray, and then put them in the fridge.
And then we'll leave them there for around 10 minutes, so should be good. Okay, so now we're doing is we're taking our batter and we're rolling it into little balls and then putting it into a bunch of different sizes of our cookie cutters. But since we're on the topic of Valentine's, I gotta ask you, Caroline, what's your favorite rom-com?
I love How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. I know it's basic, but every time I watch it, I'm just like just like that. I love it. I love it so much.
Well, you know why it's basic? It's because it's good.
Yes! Yes!
Guys, 2023 is the year we bring back basic things, okay? Because the reason why they're basic is because everyone loves
likes them.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm not going to be ashamed for, liking How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days or listening to Taylor Swift. Like, those are okay now.
Taylor Swift hits during Galentine's, let me tell you that. Blair, what's your favorite?
Oh my gosh, that's such a hard question. I really love Love Actually, because I just love the fact that it's like a bunch of different stories all layered over each other. And I think the thing about the airport's so sweet.
So
just like
cute.
reunions in airports. I don't know.
And it's so classic. That movie is timeless. You can watch it with people of many ages.
Yes.
And just, you all feel it differently too.
Aww. I love
beauty
how you
of it.
said that. That's so
Thank
perfect. We're getting very poetic on this Galentine's Day, guys.
In our feels.
You guys all have to let us know on social media how you're spending your own Galentine's or Valentine's Day. We hope it's curled up with a good movie, right?
Absolutely.
So Caroline is molding the last of our hearts. You'll definitely see when you look at the tray. Hers are a lot more artistic than mine are. Mine are a little wobbly, but I still love them.
They're interesting looking. I don't know if I'd call them a heart. It's kind of just like 2 logs put together. And I don't know how it happened because we have mold.
We do have molds, that's true. Wait, Caroline, let me do a dramatic reveal for everyone of the last one.
The last one? Alright. We push it out.
Gorgeous.
It takes a minute. You gotta be careful, otherwise you're gonna get the logs. Go
Yeah,
like
I
this.
think I was less careful than Caroline was.
And you place it
Oh,
down.
bam! Look at that!
Great work.
Oh my gosh, so now we're gonna take these beautiful babies and pop them in the freezer while we melt our chocolate. Yes.
Alright, now that our hearts are in the freezer, we're gonna melt 2 cups of milk chocolate chips.
And you can choose any type of chocolate, but we chose milk chocolate. I
It's
think
our
it's our favorite.
It's our favorite.
But feel free to choose anything.
Alright, while it's melting in the microwave, it's every 30 seconds you pull out the chocolate chips, stir them up a little bit, put it back in until it's all melted. But don't do more than 30-second increments because you don't want to burn your chocolate.
Yes, indeed. Alright guys, so Caroline's in the back stirring things up, but we just want to say, like, we're cleaning up now, like any good chef will, so that by the end of the recipe, the whole kitchen should be spotless, just for you. Alright, everyone. Okay, so our little hearts have firmed up officially.
Yes, they have.
And our chocolate's melted. So you know what that means, right, Caroline?
It's time to dip. It's dip time.
We can dip, and then we can dip.
Oh, sounds good to me.
Okay, so they're all done. It did get a little bit messy.
It got pretty messy, I won't lie. Chocolate is everywhere.
Yes, that indeed. So we'll have to do a little bit of cleanup, but
Yeah.
while we do that, these babies are hopping back in the freezer.
Oh yeah.
Alright friends, so they're officially all done. We'll probably put them back in the freezer after this.
Yeah.
To let them like firm up more. But I think we should try
I
it
think
now.
we should try it. Can I feed you? I think it's only right for our Galentine's episode that I feed Blair.
I think it wouldn't be a Galentine's Day episode without it.
I agree. Are you ready?
These look so good.
Airplane. Vroom. What do you think?
It's stuck in my mouth, but it's really good.
The peanut butter is thick, guys. The reason why we let it sit is for it to thicken up. They're actually my joke. Okay, so now we know there's gonna be some real College E1ats moment. Do not take a big bite of these. You will choke on
They
them.
need to firm up. They
It
do
is
need
a
to firm up.
choking hazard.
It's gonna be so much better once it's firm, and I
Yeah.
can really just like do that crisp bite, but
Right now it's hazardous. Do not have it.
flavor-wise,
Okay.
phenomenal.
That's good to know. That's good to know.
Like, it's really, I mean, it's chocolate and peanut butter. You can't get much better than that, but...
I mean, this is some real authentic College E1ats.
Well, this one's firm enough.
Yeah, that one's starting to firm.
Okay.
I think it'll be good. I'm excited. I'm excited.
But yeah. Don't worry, y'all, we're gonna pop this back in the freezer, so hopefully it'll be better when it comes out.
Alright, that's all today for College E1ats. We're gonna let that firm up for, I think, probably another 2 hours so we don't have another choking hazard on our hands. So that's it for our Galentine's Day episode.
We're so happy that you all joined us today. If you want to see more behind the scenes content and just more recipes from us,
Of course.
you can check us out on Instagram at SU College Eats and TikTok which is very new.
Oh, very new.
Very excited.
You should follow us.
Which is at College Eats SU. Again, we hope that you guys all have a wonderful Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day.
However you celebrate.
But yeah, that's all from us. I'm Blair.
And I'm Caroline.
Bye.